This PlayStation 3 has the symptoms of a yellow light of death. The YLOD is not a problem, it is just a symptom. The yellow light of death that indicates general breakdowns and issues on the PlayStation 3 Fat is famous. Any issue with the PS3 are shown with this yellow light being lit when turning on the console, followed by a flashing red light that shows the PS3 would not start. To fix a problem, you need to configure it first, and blindly replacing things would not work, just like many of the people replace the thermal paste. But fixing things that are broken is the actual right thing to do. Usually in the Fat models, problem is due to a low filtration in CPU and GPU power rails. Additionally, this problem is generally caused by the PS3 internally overheating and cooling when it is off, and the solder balls get cracked. Here I am taking the physical test. Any component should not be burned or short-circuited. After connecting the ground from the oscilloscope, first of all I will test both the power rails of the CPU and the GPU. The machine has had the same status until now. The trace line is neat and clean on both of the chip's power inputs. That means that there is no issue with power filtration with the token capacitors. I took a start from the CPU chip. I have to clean it well so that I can look underneath the chip for any issue. And here it is. Somebody has tried to free flow it with the help of a heat gun, but with no success. I guessed that as some of the balls underneath the CPU are shiny and some are faded, and the chip is also tilted and not in balance. After applying this thick flux paste, I had to melt it down so that it could go properly underneath this chip. As you can observe that I am trying to reflow the CPU chip. but with the help of a BGA machine. After a certain temperature, the chip got floating on the solder balls. That's final. As you can see, the tall balls and the CPU chip are in balance now. I have applied some thermal paste on both of the chips, which is essential. In some cases, due to the heat, the IHS plate got lifted away from the heat sensor. As it is fixed on the chip with the help of silicone, that causes this problem. Here I will give some packing at the back side of the motherboard, and it could help in reseating the IHS on the heat sensor. Watch here how. Otherwise, due to the accumulation of integrated heat, the fan could be loud and the problem could occur again. Integrated heat should be dissipated directly through the integrated heat spreading plates. Let's put the machine together again and check it. and hopefully it will give the display on the screen. Yes. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.